This is the traditional Calabrian from home, from Acre. In dialect we call lagane. That is, we make like tagliatelle, but we used to do just flour and water. That's what is here. And now unroll here and then stretch the dough just like that, slowly, slowly, and then you turn, and then that's where it will be, and then turn over the other side. And this is the way, when we've been brought up, my mom used to do all the time, or most of the time, this. Now this one I cut like tagliatelle size. I make with chickpeas, and chickpeas, they've been cooked in tomato sauce with the garlic, parsley, salt obviously, and then that's the way we used to do, and it was lovely to enjoy. Right. And it's as simple as that. Water and flour, no salt, nothing. You can see the flour, ordinary flour, and you still stretch the dough, because if it comes nice and thinly, and it's lovely, the taste is beautiful. Right. Now you wait until I finish stretch, and then I will show you how I cut with a knife. You do like this, and it will be lovely. Nice, thin enough. Look at that. Look how beautiful it is. Look. And I put some flour. Because I have to gonna cut with a knife. Stretch, otherwise if you don't put some flour, it will get each other. Right. Okay. There you are. And that is dialect we used to call a lagane. I'm going to put it here, and I will show you the way I cut. Put some more flour. Get the knife. Got the knife. Right. Then you can sprout. Look at this. You don't have to worry, because I put a little bit more flour and you won't get. Right. See? I show you slowly. You don't panic with a knife. Always keep the finger like that. And one thing I want to mention, which I should have done before. First thing, roll your sleeves, nails clean, hands wash. That is very important. No long nails and no paint nails. Look at that. And you know, it's naturally handmade. Right, it's done. Now the sauce, is cooking, which I will show you, is tomatoes chopped. And then you prepare garlic, olive oil, and you put the tomato chopped, and then you can put also sauce. But that is lovely because it gives a lovely flavor. And then also it's a little bit peperoncino calabrese, which is the very famous in the world, peperoncino, and it helps, and it's very good, and it's got vitamin C. Then has been cooked this one, which from this one which I made a little bit extra, I take some off and I mix with chickpeas. That is the chickpeas with the sauce. That is done. Now, if you want to put some Parmesan cheese, you just go like that instead of already grated. It's nice and fresh. And you can put as much you like. And now you can eat. And now it's all ready. And I go and eat and just let you know. Delicious. Not because I did. A homemade you can beat and it's a pleasure to cook. And you learn how to cook to enjoy the food you make. Ciao.